Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a water slime but without no glue. And it's pretty simple. So today we're going to be using water and just dish soap. So you're going to put like about this much in. Let's start squeezing. Like about this should be about enough. Okay. Next step, you're going to add some water here. And you're going to add about, take off your cap, you're going to add about this much, about there. I think I added too much. If you add too much, then I think you should add more dish soap. Yeah, about there. Make sure you put the cap back on your water so then it doesn't spill and your mom won't get mad at you. And put it in the fridge for about 2 hours, and there you have it, and you'll have water slime. See you later.